Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to push stock updates to Square in Craftybase. Using Stock Push with Square allows you to update your Square stock numbers directly from Craftybase, completely under your control. For Stock Push to work smoothly, Square items and variations must have Track by Stock Count selected in order for Craftybase to send updates successfully. To select Track by Stock Count for a Square product, first, go to your items list in Square. Then select an item which doesn't have Track by Stock Count enabled. Select the Inventory tab. If not already enabled, select Change Tracking next to your locations. Select Track by Stock Count and save your changes. Repeat this as necessary, and you're ready to get set up in Craftybase. From your Craftybase homepage, you'll first want to navigate to your Square Shops page. Now, to enable Stock Push, under the Stock Push column, toggle Status to On. If you haven't already authorized your Square store, you'll be taken to Square, where you will need to grant access to Craftybase. Choose the Square location you'd like Craftybase to update. Then scroll down to Enable Stock Push and tick the box. Select Save Settings to confirm your changes. Stock Push is now enabled for your Square store and monitoring for changes in your stock levels. For more information on how Stock Push works, feel free to watch our dedicated Stock Push video in this video's description. Now that you've got Stock Push enabled and working for your Square store, Craftybase can further become your one-stop source of truth for all your inventory tracking, allowing you to easily push and view your stock updates across your connected integrations. Once you're comfortable with manual stock pushes, feel free to check out our video on how to use and enable auto push on supported accounts. That's it. You've now set up and enabled Stock Push for your Square store. If you'd like more detail, check out the linked knowledge base article below. Thanks for watching, and happy making with Craftybase.